guys, from San Jose, California. Weather again is not great. Weather in Bay Area is, honestly, I don't know. It's been raining for 3 months on and off, but still. Anyway, let's not talk about this depressive stuff. Let's talk about how to lose weight. And I'm gonna talk about my personal example, how I lost 100 pounds in approximately 3 months. Honestly. Absolutely honestly, that's how I lost it. It was 6 years ago, and it was done crazily incorrect, and because my point was that just to lose it as fast as possible. I was so tired of this excessive weight. I was so tired of that I decided I just need to lose all this weight. So I made the notes for myself just to explain to you guys. Here are multiple points I have here, so let's talk about those. First thing is walk a lot. Really, walk a lot. Just walk every day, at least 10,000 steps every day. It's a must. I mean, it's no brainer. You need to walk a lot. You can also run, but I mean, honestly, I don't like to run, so that's why I prefer walk, and walk is perfectly fine. You can easily do that. For example, if you have a car, and most likely you have a car, right, especially in America, so you need just to park as much further away from shopping mall or your destination. So you just park your car and you walk your way, 20 minutes, half an hour, something like that. Or just walk a lot, or bike, whatever works for you, but just stop using your car all the time for everything. Just limit it. Second point, when you decide to lose weight, it's stop eating pepper, salt, everything that you basically add to the food. Just like, you don't need to use it, because the salt, for example, preserves the fat in your body, and that's why when you limit it, that's why magic happens. So you don't need those, so limit as much as possible. I mean, if you cannot do that, I mean, I totally understand, but you need to do it because it's very essential thing. Third thing is the count calories. Count the calories that you eat. You might look like paranoid or whatever to other people, but honestly, it's the only way to do it. Count calories, count how much do you eat, especially if you eat meat or bread. That's especially when you need to count everything. The norm for the person is like 2,000 calories per day. So just make sure you eat much less, 1,000 for example. Just limit it a lot. Vegetables, of course, is the thing that I started to eat a lot when I decided to lose weight. In fact, I started to eat fruits the first week of my diet. Only fruits for a week, which sounds crazy, right? And it was not ideal idea, but still I was doing that, and I was eating only fruits, like strawberries, whatever. Not bananas. No bananas. Limit bananas. No, strawberries. What I was eating, melons. Yeah, I was eating a lot of fruits. That's the way to do it, but honestly, no, you don't need to like do only fruits. You need to mix it with vegetables. That's the better way. Limit bread for sure, because bread is the reason, number one reason that how you gain weight. It's like immediately you gain weight. For example, for me, I eat some bread and next day I'm like look like huge person. No, seriously, I mean, not literally, but few days of eating bread every day and you look like, how to say, I don't know, like you look big. Yeah, that's the point. Well, if you eat meat, and quite likely you eat meat, then you need to change your habit of eating, like, let's say pork. Instead of pork, eat chicken breast. Lots of chicken breast, because it's much lighter. It's better for you. I think so. So I think that's a better replacement. Chicken breast. Eat a lot of that, and not fry it. Eat the actually cooked one. And when it comes to losing weight, honestly guys, there's a hardcore ways like I did in 3 months. I was totally limiting myself on everything, and as I said, I was eating only fruits for a week, only vegetables, then walking every day. I actually started running even, but I don't like running, as I said, but walking is enough. I did everything possible again because I hated so much my overweight situation that I wanted to change it like this. And people around me actually noticed, like, hey, this guy is like shrinked almost twice. So people were asking me, hey, is everything fine with you, or what happened? What happened to you? Come on, like, what exactly happened? So be prepared for that. It's a hardcore way. Honestly, it's not best way to lose weight. It might actually cause some health problems. For example, for me, I got the stomach pains for like couple of months after such a hardcore way of losing it. And so yeah, I prefer more lighter way. For example, instead of 3 months, try to lose weight in 6 months or something and stick to it. Yeah, so it's important just to not kill yourself doing that, because you know, sometimes consequences are pretty bad if you do it incorrectly. So I'm just warning you, try to do it the best way. My way was not the best, but it still functioned well for me. Also, it's very important not just to lose weight but maintain it. After you switch to that diet and you lost, let's say, 100 pounds, you most likely gonna think, well, I now can eat everything I want. Sorry, no, that's not the case. You need to maintain that weight, so you need to do everything possible to actually maintain that weight. To do that, you still need gonna limit yourself on the salt, pepper, and that things. You need to control your portion size. For example, I honestly was not controlling my portion size. I was just eating a lot of vegetables without salt, without pepper, chicken breast. I was not controlling portions in any way. I was just trying to eat the lightest food possible. And honestly, I've lost too much weight. That was not a problem. I looked too skinny. That's why I decided actually to gain a little bit. Maybe not decided, maybe it happened just like that automatically, but I'm just saying, maybe I've decided that. So yeah, I've gained like, I think 15 or 20 pounds afterwards. So yeah, I've gained a bit, but it's not bad. I think it's even better. I think I look even better with this additional weight. Maybe, I'm not sure. Yeah, that's the point, guys. So try to do it the best way that works for you, and you should see the results, of course. If you do it for like 2 months and you don't see the results, that means that you're doing something wrong, or you're just like fooling yourself around. You think, oh yeah, I'm gonna lose weight at some point. No, you gotta stick to the plan, otherwise it will never work. It will never work if you don't stick to the plan. And all those pizzas, sausages, stuff like that, potatoes, forget about this stuff. Just forget about it, at least for like the time that you're trying to lose weight, because it will ruin everything. One more point is the alcohol. Alcohol is also gonna slow down your process of losing weight, so you better not drink a lot, especially beer. Maybe some wine, but beer, come on, beer is not a good way to lose weight. Or actually, maybe there's a beer diet. If you just always drink beer every day and don't eat anything else, maybe. I'm just kidding, I don't know. I think this diet doesn't exist, so you better not try that. Okay, thank you guys. Please subscribe and press the like button. There will be more videos about travel diet, gadgets, tech reviews, whatever. Yeah, lots of stuff. All right, thanks.